Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're having a good day. Let's build a quick resume site today. Let's see what we are going to build. Here is Mr. Ariful Islam's resume, who is a mid-level executive, IT executive of a company. Here is his resume, and here is his image, which is of course built with ChatGPT. So let's build the site. At first, we need to upload the image of that person to postimages.org. After we upload the picture, we can get the link here. Let's copy it and let's visit ChatGPT. Let's paste our prompt here. So act as an expert web designer. From the attached document, I want you to analyze the content and create professional and modern design resume site. Create a single website with HTML code, inside profile picture hosted in. I need to insert the link here. Here is the link. Use anchor menu to navigate different section of the resume. Use emoji to make the design attractive. Create a back to the top button at the corner of the screen for easy navigation. Let's upload our resume. We have uploaded it. Let's wait. Let's click hit start, and it has started designing our HTML code. Let's visit tiiny.host, tiiny.host. Please note that TIINY, there is 2 I in tiny. After you need to sign up here, which is absolutely free. No need to pay anything right now. After we log in, here is the startup screen. I need to paste our code here. Let's visit the advanced option. I need to type the page title. The page title will be Arif's resume. I will paste the HTML code here. Let's see if it has finished writing it. It is still writing. Let's wait for a little bit. Yes, it has finished writing the code. Let's copy it. Let's paste the code here and then hit continue. I need to put the link name here. Let's put arifdemo.tiny.site. That will be our site address. Let's hit publish. Okay, we have got our site. Let's view the site. Here we got our site. Let's see how people will see it. Let's copy the title. I will open it in a private window. Here is our site. Here is different section. Here is the anchor menu. I hit the experience section and I reached there. And here is the back to the top button. I hit certification. I reached at certification. Here is the back button. So that's way people are going to see our site. We have uploaded our site in arifdemo.tiny.site. Thank you very much. If you like this video, like it. Thank you.